Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing rear speakers on a 5th gen 4Runner. In this install, we're going to show you how to remove the factory door panel, speaker, get the new speaker wired up, mounted, replace the door panel, and do a little test. Let's get started. Provo Beast Audio Installation channel is sponsored by NVX and Sonic Electronics. Get 10% off all speakers, amplifiers, wiring kits, and more with coupon code PBAI at NVX. Also get 5% off all car audio components at Sonic Electronics with coupon code ProvoBeast. So we need to get into a couple of screws that are hidden with little panels. So I have a little pick that I can get in there to pop open these little teeny windows. Little teeny covers. There's also one right back here as well. There you go. Okay, once those 3 screws are removed, go ahead and just grab here at the bottom. You'll find a little spot where you can put your fingers behind the panel. Just give it a little tug. Then go ahead and lift up. Just like that. Now here in the back of the panel, you're going to see these 2 guys. Just go and pull them out like that. And then lift on up. They'll pop on out. And then also disconnect your harness. So the speaker we've decided to go with is this NVX V series coaxial. It's a 6.5 inch. It comes with a bracket, which is nice. It'll bolt up to, just about bolt up perfectly to the factory location. The window's all the way down, so we know we have plenty of clearance. It's not going to hit the window actuator or the track itself. So we're going to get this in-series hook bolted up. We're also using this harness adapter. This harness adapter, I'll post in the description the link to it, but essentially here, this harness adapter plugs directly into the factory plug, so there's no wiring guesswork or anything like that, so you don't have to get the polarity backwards. So we're going to go ahead and get this new speaker bolted up. Now this lower bolt doesn't reach perfectly, so we have a self-tapper and a washer, and we're going to make our own mount. Plug up our harness here, just like that. Okay, at this point you can go ahead and test the speaker to make sure everything's working properly, and go ahead and put the door panel back on. Okay, everything's all reinstalled, just in reverse order. You may have a little trouble getting it just clipped back on here at the top. It's really tight right here. Take your time, there's no need to rush here. But we replaced the screws, everything's back in. We pounded the door panel back on, all the clips activated, got our light plugged in. We're all good to go. If you have any questions about this install, just go ahead and post a comment below. Be sure to also check the description. We'll have the link to the front speakers, as well as a link to a 5-channel amplifier and sub-install on this 4Runner. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.